Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Cloudflare email for beginners. To get started, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to the Domains Overview area. This is the main place where you manage connected domains, and it's where the setup process begins. If you're new to Cloudflare, take a moment to look around the page so you can get familiar with the layout before making changes. From there, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Add Domain. This option is used whenever you want to bring a new domain into your Cloudflare account, so it can be managed from the dashboard. Make sure you're selecting the correct menu item from the sidebar, since that will take you into the setup flow. Once that opens, click. Add Domain again at the top right of the page. You may see this button in more than one place during onboarding, and in this case, you'll want the one that continues the process from the current screen. This helps confirm that you're ready to connect a domain to Cloudflare. Next, click Connect to Domain. This step tells Cloudflare that you want to link a domain and begin its configuration. If you're following along for the first time, just move slowly here and read the prompts on screen so you know what Cloudflare is asking for. Now enter your sample domain name in the field provided. Be careful to type the domain correctly, since even a small typo can lead to problems later in setup. It's a good habit to double-check the spelling before moving on, especially if you're working with a live domain. After entering the domain name, click Continue. This takes you to the next stage, where Cloudflare will ask you to choose a plan. At this point, you're simply moving forward in the setup process, so there's no need to overthink it if you're just following the basic beginner flow shown here. On the plan selection screen, choose the sample plan shown in the setup. This is the option being used for this walkthrough. Selecting the correct plan is important because it determines which features are available to you as you continue. Once that's done, your basic setup is complete. At this stage, the domain has been added and you're ready for the next part of configuring email-related settings inside Cloudflare. If you're following this as a beginner, the key thing is that you've successfully connected the domain and completed the initial onboarding process. That's it for this guide. Thanks for following along.